Alright, I've been rocking this servo, this Savox servo, for a long time now. Like, I think I got this in 2015, 2016. And I got a problem with this. Hold on one moment. Gotta do something first. Lime, baby, you gotta get your lime, baby. I like to squeeze the lime juice in there. Get your lime, baby. And what I want to do, or try to attempt to do, is this gold here that's all the way around. I'm gonna sand that, or try to get that gold off, and then repaint it. You know, repaint this here. So I got it taped up and everything. I know what you're thinking, Jason. Why don't you take it apart and just get to that gold housing? I tried that. When I opened it up, gears were falling out of the thing. So after it's all said and done, I'll be, thankful if it's still working correctly. Anybody want to buy a servo? Anyway, like I said, I'm gonna use goof off and just kind of put it on there and see if it takes it off. But here we go. I'm gonna use a paper towel here and just see if it will take it off. Oh, this stuff is strong. Very strong. Goof off, whatever. It didn't even touch it. So, okay, the gook gone, gook off, whatever didn't work. So, try this here. It's Loctite jelly stuff. Supposed to remove, so might be perfect for this application. Oh, okay. It's red. Looks like slime. Okay. Stuff looks just like slime. Well, it's a jelly. Okay. So, I'm gonna try this stuff here real quick. Okay. Just do it like this. Yeah. I got it coated all. Alright. That gel stuff didn't work. Like, good gosh, like Savox, what would you put on this? I mean, for real. So, I might just paint it like that. But I'm gonna Google search something. Has to be a way to get that off. Has to be. Alright, I've tried parts brake cleaner, all this. I bought these two, nothing didn't work. I even tried spray painting the thing, and the spray paint just ran off. Like, Savox, like, what did you make this aluminum out of? Like, I'm just like, I can't, I mean, obviously it could be scratched, but still, even when it's scratched, it's still not showing much, like this frame aluminum anodized is like indestructible. So I got another tip. One of my viewers told me to go get an oven cleaner, which I'm gonna try. I'm just like, oven cleaner, like, will it take that off? So I'm gonna try. If oven cleaner don't work, I got one more thing, but we're gonna give oven cleaner a try. Thank y'all. This is wild. It's wicked. Alright, we're gonna try this next. Oven cleaner, easy off. Somebody told me try this here, so Here we go. Alright, got it coated on there real good. We'll wait 40 minutes. Hope I don't eat the plastic. We'll wait 40 minutes and see what I got here. Holy smokes. It's working. Gotta get some more on there. Still bubbling, but it's working. I mean, I had to wipe some stuff off, but it's working. Try to put tape over the ends where I don't want stuff to go in, but it's like a foam. So, yeah. Okay, it worked. That easy off, heavy duty worked. So, now time to paint that before it starts rusting. But, yeah. Got all that gold off. Off the top. Bottom too. Alright, got it taped up. Now I'm gonna go outside and paint it. Alright, that's how it's looking now. I'm gonna go over it with some gloss or a clear coat to make it like pop. It's coming out shiny, so I'm gonna put some of this clear coat on it. Just spray paint, get it at Walmart. Clear coat. Walmart. I finally got it done. So here it is. Here's the servo here. So I put like a clear gloss over it, clear coat, but it kind of bubbled up right there because I don't know if you see it on camera yet. Yeah, it is. It kind of bubbled up. Well, it ain't kind of. It bubbled up. But here's the, I guess, truth to reckon that we're going to tear the tape off. So, see what the imperfections of. So, here we go. Tear the tape off here. Ooh, I missed the spot right there. I mean, it's turned out pretty good. Like, there's the servo and there's the metal part. I mean, I missed a couple spots, but oh, I missed another spot there. Shh. But other than that, it turned out like pretty good. Like, that's the side I'll be using. So yeah. Look how it looks in the car now. So like I said, get everything matching, but look how it really sets everything off. Like, even down to my servo horn is matching. You got to coordinate. Hey, I would like to thank these three guys. Without this project, or without their input, I wouldn't have got it done. I want to thank Cameron Saxton. He's a local here. And Troy Schaefer and John Bernard for recommending oven cleaner. And yeah, without y'all, like, I couldn't have got it done. I done spent like $16 like in chemicals trying to get this servo cleaned, and yeah, y'all recommended that and it works. But it kind of makes you wonder, like, how bad are people's ovens? Like, and is that stuff safe to put in your oven and cook your food? But I don't know. Anyway, that's just me thinking out loud. But anyway, thank y'all guys. Thank you. See y'all at the track. If you found today's video interesting and, you know, found it educational, I guess, you know, if you want to paint your servo to match your paint scheme or whatever, maybe that helped. I don't know. If you want to take some anodizing off or something, that surely helped. But be doing me a huge favor. Thumbs up, like. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook. Those are the ones I post. I got a Twitter account. I'm on there, not as much as the rest of them, but yeah, follow me. Be racing here pretty soon. Stay tuned for I got some stuff in the works that I'll be getting and showcasing, and maybe some collabs and just good stuff. Just good stuff. I don't know. Try to help everybody go faster, I guess, you know. But anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. See you soon.
He normally does his sideways, huh?